Look, there's Mr. Jingles before he runs away. Oh, hey guys. I'm sorry for the late video. I've just been sick. Hi, kitty. I'll wait see if I can get close to him. Hey, Mr. Jingles. How you doing? Hi, Hercules. Too. Is he gonna run away? Hey, Mr. Jingles. Wait, come back. Come back. No. Look how mean he is. Ugh. I think y'all are hungry. I'm going to have to feed y'all. Go ahead. Hello. What you doing? Kitty. Yeah. Oh yeah. And let me just run over there. This is my truck. And now I'm going to see if the tadpoles are still in the back. Ah. There's like a little bit of water there. Ooh, it's wet. Okay. I'm going to see if y'all see any. Look, they're around there. Looky. There, it moved. You're worried, bye guys.